as Mrs. Claus. Welcome to my Advents Calendar series. Today is December 20th. Today we're going to use our frosted ornaments and glitter. I have some silver glitter and gold glitter and red glitter, plus double-sided sticky tape. I haven't used that before, so I'm really hoping this is working. The plan is to attach glitter to the outside of our balls. Let's go ahead, and since this is going to get a little bit messy, I will put those balls into a container, move the other ones out of the way for now. So here we go. Now the way that I'm envisioning this to work, oh, I should have prepared my glitter. It's not open yet. Let's see if I can push that out. Let me pause for a second to open that. All right, the containers are open. Now, the plan is, and this is the first time I'm doing this, so I'm hoping it's working. The plan is to take the double-sided tape. By the way, all these supplies, all these supplies are from Hobby Lobby. No, I'm lying. This is Hobby Lobby, the glitter, and this is Michael's. Okay, so the plan is to just use this thingy to get tape on the Christmas ball, but it doesn't seem to be as easy as I thought. Oh, there it is. There it comes. Oh, more glue, more glue, more glue. It's supposed to be double-sided sticky tape. I do want to take this off now. Oh, there we go. Okay, come on there. Okay, more. I hope I'm doing this right. Okay, so now we should be able to just put the glitter right on there. And that's why I have the little lid down there to catch it. Oh, bam, look at that. It totally worked. Now, of course, I can't just stick with one color. You know me. So I will also go down, with a line like this. And like that. This is interesting. Who engineered this? It's pretty genius. I'm gonna go put gold on this way. And right there. I do like this. I do like this a lot. Look at that, how glittery it is. It's gorgeous. I think I'm going to leave this one, and I'll make another design on the next one. Alright, for the next one, I'm going to use the silver. Let's see what kind of things I can do. I'm going to go across the belly like this. Oops. Sometimes it seems like I need to advance it by hand just a little bit to make it work. Oh. Maybe I just need to move faster. That's probably what it is. Okay. I want to put silver on that one. Okay. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. Should I put red or gold on the outside? I think I want to do red for contrast. So I'm gonna go, how do I do this best? I'll go, oops, shoot. I've gotta go this way. I'm gonna try to go a little slower here. It's not that easy because of the bend. It's not gonna be perfect, but it is what it is. That's how crafts are, you know? Okay. Let's shake that off. Look at that. We got the red and the silver going. I think it's very pretty. And I'm gonna make one more red. I don't want to throw a gold in there with it. So we'll make one more red line right here. Oops, almost. Okay. And then we'll put the red on here. I'm actually surprised how good this works out if I don't drop it. Okay, this is really pretty. What do you think? I like this a lot. Now for the last one, I want to try something completely different because I can pretty much just do straight lines with this tape. I love this tape, by the way, but I wanted something else. I do have also glue that I got from Hobby Lobby, just Elmer's glue, and some brushes from Hobby Lobby. So I am going to try to use a brush to get the glue on certain spots on here, and then we shall see. Okay, first I'll make a little bit of a blob, and then what should I do? A circle? I think I want to do a circle. And then, since I have a lot of glue in there already, why don't I just dunk it in there? Oh, okay, the circle is no longer a circle because I smeared the glue with it. Okay, let's do it this way then. I gotta be more careful about this. Okay, that circle is not as nice as I wanted it to be. Let's see if I can just smear it with my finger a little bit to make it more like a circle and add a little bit more glue to fix the circle. And then I will add more glitter. That glitter is so fine. It's not as easy as I thought this would be because I'm probably using a little bit too much glue. But here we go. There's a circle on there. Let me try something else. I think I want to just do like a half round here on the back. Let's see. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, let's do a lot of glue. Ooh, I just realized I could have just made designs with the glue bottle itself. And then just let it run where it goes and add the glue to that. I mean the glitter. Let's see, is that what I want? I want a little bit more this way. A little bit more glue. A little bit more going this way. I think now that I have a little bit thinner layer of glue on there, I may not have the problems with the smearing that I had. Okay, let me move that over here. I do want some red and some gold on there. I think this is good enough. I do like this. Oh, I just touched the circle on the other side. And I'm adding a little bit more silver to this circle. Just because there is already some silver in here. Okay, so now I need to... I should have thought about that. How do I let this dry now? Because I have glue on this side and on that side. It's alright. I'll kind of put it upside down into a bowl. It'll be alright. And you will see it again on the picture when it's dry and you can actually look at it. I hope you get inspired doing some fun things for Christmas.